Last month, K-pop made waves in Vancouver, Canada. It was the third K-pop cover dance festival this year, and 2,300 people gathered to watch the final round of the competition. The festival was held to celebrate the 50th anniversary of diplomatic ties between Canada and Korea. The contest was held to help spread K-pop further around the world and to spread a positive image of Korea around the world. 12 finalists were selected from a group of 40 teams from Canada. The finalists were selected through online preliminaries, and as soon as the contest started, people were dancing to Girls' Generation, EXO, CL, and many other songs. The team that won tickets to Korea was a two-member team named SOF, and they won with their covers of EXO Growling 으르르렁, CN Blue 나쁜 기집애 Bad Girl, and Teen Top To You. The finals were hosted in 6 countries including Japan, England, Hong Kong, Thailand, Canada, and Russia. All the contests have ended except the one to be hosted in Russia. Every year, 1,500 teams from 70 countries go through rigorous online preliminaries, and the winners of the finals in each country will be flown out to Korea to compete in the championship event to be hosted October 5th in Gyeongju. Okay, so that was the one part mark, and we have to conclude it right here. Before we go, I'm gonna do a quick shout out to all the Sound K listeners, and thank you so much for sending in the messages. Here we go: Fudges from USA, Ranixia from Indonesia, Melis from Turkey, Yudita Knight from Bangladesh, and Shifla from Tunisia. Thank you guys so much, and I will be back to you really soon, so don't go anywhere. And before I go, 혹시 이 노래 좋아요? Do you like this song? Because I like this song. This song is called 이 노래 좋아요. I like this song by Lin. Welcome back, everyone. The second part of Sound K has started. It's Tuesday, October 1st, 2013. And you can enjoy your Tuesday morning, afternoon, or evening with me on Sound K with DJ Rome. We'll begin shortly with the K-pop travel buzz section, of course, joining me, the one and only Fernando. But before we do that, let's kick it off. The second part of tonight's show, we have 미쳐가 by Ajax, or Insane.